sababu unajua ile niliona iko na zoom kubwa.
Nyoni muthemba wa Flamingo nicio ikoragwo ihete iria ria Naikuru ugemu uria ugucagiriria agendi guku bururi-ini guka guciirorera ugemu uria utumite kaunti ya Naikuru ibatithio ritwa ria mucii wa nyoni ici. Kwa ihinda ria miaka 4 nyoni iria-ini riri ikoretwo ihanite ta ikuhuka kuumana na mbura nene iria ikoretwo ikiura icigo-ini cia Naikuru na gucungiriria muiyuro undu uria watumire nyoni ikorwo igithamira icigo-ini ingi.
Any moment there is disturbance, maybe vehicles approach very close to the lake, sometimes you will find them flying away.
Ona kuri uguo kiambiriria kia mwaka uyu nyoni ni icokereirie na nditi na gucokia riri wa iria undu uria ukwarahura ugendi na njira nene kaunti-ini ino.
And I am here especially to see the flamingos because I've been told they are back, so it's something incredible I want to see with my whole family.
Munini wa murugamiriri iria-ini riri Caroline Mwebia augite ni ihinda rithiangu kuma riria meriga kuona nyoni muigana ta uyu akiuga Riri ni ucokereirie na gikiro kinene ta hau kabere.
And since most of the Rift Valley lakes are flooded, we've seen like Lake Bogoria is really flooded, so they're looking for places where they can find food, and most likely Lake Nakuru, some of the areas are a bit shallow, and that's why we are seeing a good number along the lake shores.
Oho Mwebia augite kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 40 ni cigitwo keheri ni ruhonge rwa KWS niguo guteithiriria hari waki wa barabara ya kilomita 60 iria ingirite iria-ini riri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.